Should we get the makeup artist back up here real quick to refresh our powder and everything?
Yeah, no kidding.
Well, we want Mark to look glamorous. Well, or maybe not. So, go ahead.
Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Stranded on the information highway with a lousy $2 and change. The insidious effects of living off the cow where your conscience bears no shame. Constantly dehumanized and exploited. Which one of you has a key to the safe? You accumulate wealth far beyond your needs for the sole purpose of putting it on display. The desperation, the conflict, and the anger, the methodical nature of the beast. Shove an apple in their mouth and pass them around for the captain's Thanksgiving feast. Oblivious to the conclusion, the drunken executive's toast, funneling money into the pocketbooks of the politics of hate. And 2 miles in from the Gold Coast, rats roam the baby's crib. Rats roam the vacant corridors where you collect the rent, where the suffering indentured servants are all working for the minimum wage, drawing battle lines, standing in soup lines for the remaining piece of the cake. I'm a pauper in these potter's fields unknown, picking up the pieces of a system that's all wrong.
Amen. I think it's good.
I think it's good.
Thanks, good.
That was so easy. Right on.
Oh my God.
Cool. Always a pleasure, sir.
It was great, man.
Woo.
You sound phenomenal.
Thanks, man. Chooks, nice work. Thank you. Yeah, nice stuff.
It was kind of easy, actually.